Good evening, everybody. This is Rich and Katie down along the river. Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. What we're going to do for you is we had old Lyle at Hippie BBQ and Cooking just reach out to, I guess, forward my email to a knife company, and knife company sent me a knife to review. This is called the, I had to read off paper because I had a heck of a time. It's Godmorn. Godmorn. Yeah, it's a Godmorn 8-inch chef's knife. It's made of, German high carbon steel. And I've never got sent a knife before, like to review. Yeah, that's a pretty good looking knife. It's one piece. It feels pretty good. We were sent to us to do a review. This is the Classic series. It's made out of stainless steel white handle and high carbon German steel. So it's got a heck of an edge. It feels pretty good. So you'll see us use this in the future very, very soon.
Start doing that before you lose track and cut yourself.
Yeah. Lyle, thanks a lot, buddy. And Godmorn Knives, thank you for sending this. I'll be glad to do a review for you. So guys, check them out. Godmorn.com. They got 3 different series. They got the Classic, and they got like the Elite, and like the more fancier knives. This is like the Classic home chef knife. Still pretty good. So check them out, Godmorn.com. I'll leave a link in the description box. Hit show more. So guys, I can't wait to use it. If you like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. I'll stop waving it around.
Yeah, stop doing that too.
Hit
You're not Zorro, okay?
Well, yeah, I don't like Zorro. Yeah. So guys, if you like it, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up. Hit that bell, smash that bell. It'll let you know when I upload. Can't miss it. So go ahead and check out my affiliate links. All my social media is in the description box. It's show more. Share with your friends and family. And when you do, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.